This is the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360, and it's the kitchen gadget of the future.
It's going to replace multiple devices that I already have in my kitchen, namely my air fryer, my toaster oven, and my slow cooker. It even has 12 preset modes for things like air frying, toasting, and even pizza. Just made some delicious avocado toast. It's one of my favorite things to eat for breakfast, and the air fryer toasted it perfectly. It can even hold a 10-pound chicken on a rotisserie spit that it comes with. Parmesan wings are one of my favorite things to make in the air fryer. 10 minutes aside, and they turn out so crispy. And the best part is that air frying leads to 70% less calories than deep frying, but you still get that incredible crunch. Really good. And bam! Don't forget, it comes with a cookbook from Emeril with almost 50 pages of different recipes. I can't wait to dive into these.